Like for example, he was narrating an incident of a tusker. Tusker means an elephant to Mahendra. Now what did he tell? That the place where he comes from belongs to the timber area. Now one day from the timber yard, a mad elephant, it escaped and it was just roaming about. It was stamping on the bushes, it was tearing up the wild creepers and breaking the branches. And why was he behaving like this? Because he had gone mad and everybody was running, jumping, hiding everywhere. Why? Because in every place he was just smashing all the fruit stalls, vegetable stalls, mud pots and clothes and everybody. That is why people were running helter skelter in panic. I mean, they all were running here and there in panic. They all were just panicked. Now, where did elephant enter? It entered a school ground where all the children were playing. It was Ishwaran's school. And at that time, in those days, Ishwaran was a student of a junior class and he was studying. All the teachers and all the students were hiding themselves. The teachers had climbed up to the terrace of the school building. Okay, and the children were also hiding wherever the people were finding the place. They all were hiding here and there. All of a sudden, Ishwaran told that he got an idea and he was looking at the elephant. What kind of things was he doing? All of a sudden, what did he do? He saw that his master was holding one cane. All of a sudden, he took out his cane and he went to the elephant, and everybody was watching. And the elephant also gone mad after seeing this little junior boy. This Ishwaran, he went to the elephant and he hit with that cane on the third toe nail of the elephant. Okay, why? Because somebody had told him that if you hit the elephant on its toenail, he would be paralyzed. And after that, the elephant was fainted, and then it was all fine. Then, like this, he used to tell his master so many stories. Okay, now what happened? And that is why, Mahendra, he did not feel the need of having a television at home. Why? Because he had a good entertainer at home itself. Mahendra, who was a good companion as well as a good cook, and he had very good storytelling skills also, and that is why he did not feel the need of a television. And overall, Ishwaran was an asset to Mahendra. Now, what happened? One morning, when Mahindra was having his breakfast, Ishwaran all of a sudden he asked that, Master, can I make something special for dinner tonight? Because today is an auspicious day, and according to our tradition, we prepare our various delicacies to feed our ancestors' spirits. And it is believed that today's night our ancestors would visit us and they will eat our special food. So Mahendra said, okay, then go for it. If you want to cook something good, then you can just cook. And at that night the same thing happened. Mahendra enjoyed the most delicious dinner, and he also complimented Ishwaran on his culinary skills. And he thought an idea. Now, what happened all of a sudden? Ishwaran told something very strange to Mahindra, and Mahindra started panicking at that time. And what was that?